I'm calling today's video what is left over from Snowstorm Blair. I'm actually going to show, trying to find the safest route here, I'm actually going to show some snow mounds. You know, there's just a few of them. There's a lot more than this, but it's kind of interesting to me. And I'm going to give an update. Yeah, okay, Kitt, we got to go this way, Bubby. I tell you what, that Snowstorm Blair was a monster. And when they scrape it up and they got nowhere to put it, they put it down here. Look at this, guys. Oh, man. Now, believe it or not, they were much higher than that. But last week, we had a day that, believe it or not, it got up to 35 and it rained. And with that rain and it being above freezing, melted that down quite a bit. So we're going to walk around here and look at these mounds, these snow mounds. Then I'm going to give you a good update. At least I think it's good. But let's go ahead and run this, get some footage of these big, huge mounds. I don't know why, but snow mounds like this always fascinated me. Okay, over this way, Bubby. I don't know why, but they do. Holy. Now, see, I haven't been able to come down in here until today. It was just too much ice. I was only able to see it from the road. But yeah, this is what they got from town. You know, places they wasn't able to scrape up and leave it there. And this all came from town. These were much higher, and there's more of these than what I'm showing you. You should see what it looks like at Walmart. I was gonna get for some footage of that, but I changed my mind. Holy. Now I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be here probably till April. Honestly, it's been a while since I've seen these mounds this large. Look at this. All the way up. And we're gonna go over there and get some footage over here. There we go. Now we're on the other side. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go out in the parking lot here, Kitt. Gotta be careful so we won't step on ice and break our necks. Yeah, everything's still icy around here. But wow. Now in my younger days, my younger YouTube days, I would have climbed up on that. I ain't that stupid today. Or not brave enough. That would be a huge mistake to climb up on that. I do want to go around to the other side, right over there, but I was just over there a minute ago. That's all icy. I ain't taking no chances, y'all. No. I gotta be safe. Because I fall down and get hurt, all my ventures will come to a halt. Let's do all car adventures again. Oh man, okay. I just about bit the dust. I slid on a piece of ice. Dang near stepped on Kitt's paw trying to keep my balance. Alright, for those of you that's been following me for a while, you can sit this one back for a few seconds. This is for the ones I just subscribed to my channel and don't know really what I'm about. Well guys, for many years I've done vlogs. And yes, I did lots of videos of, what am I doing? I don't want to go out there. I've done lots of videos of us going through hikes and fishing. I'm still all about that. But I've done vlogs and vlogs. They all had good subject matters. Well, there for a while, I've been wanting to switch over. I've been wanting to do something, I say for the last year and a half. But I needed a newer camera. And I needed to learn how to use that newer camera. And I needed to exactly get my head how I want to play something out. Well, I'm going to tell you, it all come together now. In the next video you see, unless I end up getting sick, and I'll tell you why I'm saying that now, or in case we get a major snowstorm like Blair again, in the next video, I will be trying something different. I'll be doing something a little extra to my footage, to my filming. I'm still going to do the same type of filming, but a lot of my videos, I'm going to add some history to it. I'm going to add what I call a B-roll. Yeah, it's going to be a hell of a lot more editing but it's going to be like a documentary type thing. This is mainly for some historical places I go, and even other places. I like to tell some of the history on it, but the way I'm going to do it, I think it's going to be kind of cool. Now, it's going to take me at least a couple videos until I master and get all the bugs out and see exactly which way I like to do it best. So the first couple videos may not be up to snuff the way I like them. But let me tell you, for the longest time, I've done nothing but vlogs. I'm trying to stay away from videos that I'm doing right now. A freaking vlog. Only because I said enough. I mean, I've done it. Yeah, my God. I've done vlogs for so many things. I'm trying to get out of that. I'm trying to move my videos to historical documentaries, landscape documentaries, nature's beauty. That's what I really want. Like I've said many times, I'm trying to build a legacy, personal legacy, and for others too. You can see where the townspeople that take care of the park, what they've been doing is they've been driving the truck up in there and changing the garbage bag and driving back out. Okay, Mr. Kitt, are we gonna do something? Hey, Bubby, I'm trying to get you to have a poo. Come on. I need you to have a poo. I know you gotta have a poo. And all the viewers out there saying, why are we talking about your dog having a poo? This has been an ongoing thing that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I knew where I wanted to go with my videos a year ago. Yeah, it was about a year and a half ago I came up with this idea. And if this works out and everything works out the way I'm hoping it does, it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Yeah, I am very pleased. See, guys, you gotta like what you do when you're a content creator like me. You gotta like what you do. And doing all these vlogs that I've done over the past years, now so far I haven't done them in quite a few months, right? But all them vlogs I did, they was getting snailed to me. You know, I was starting to get to the point, oh good Lord, milk and cookie cutter videos is what I was calling them. Now let me tell you why I said I hope I don't get sick. My daughter's home off work today and the next couple days. She got the flu. Yeah. Now it makes me wonder. Remember back a couple weeks ago, my wife and I was sick. Although we took flu tests and they all came up negative. But I was a hacking. I had the headaches. My wife's symptoms was not so much a coughing, but migraines and throat ache. My daughter is coughing. Don't want to take a chance walking through that because that is ice. So let's cut up this way, Bubby. There we go. Yes, oh, be careful there. Okay, safe underneath there. But yeah, she's got the headaches, the cough, and the sore throat. So she's been diagnosed with the flu. And I just hope like hell I don't get it. Now, she does stay in her room 95% of the day. But I'm not wanting to go around and wash the bathroom doorknobs and all these other things that you can pick up. I don't know. I don't want to get in that weird mode like I did back in COVID. Oh God, if you watch me back that far, I was going nuts trying to keep us safe from COVID. Didn't work. So the next video that I'm going to be doing in about 2 days, I'm going to try a different way of filming. Well, actually I'm going to be doing the same filming, but I'm going to add things to it. And we're going to see how it turns out. And there's them snow mounds. They really, really interest me. I don't know why, but I've always thought they were kind of cool. Ever since I was a kid. Now, I'll still be doing your average vlogs here and there, obviously. I'm still going to do the fishing trips come spring. I might be changing the floor mat around on that to make it more pleasing to the viewer's eyes. And on days that I can't get nothing, I can't get outside my car, I'll probably do a car vlog like I did on this past video. Yeah. That was kind of fun. It was. The only thing I didn't like about it was I thought it was lazy the way I was videotaping it. I thought it was a lazy way to do it because I'm used to walking and doing what I'm doing now. Alright guys, And by the way, as far as my walking vlogs I've done for so many years, I haven't stopped walking. It's just I put out everything I could put out on them. I don't know what else to say about them. Alright guys, till next time. I still didn't get Kitt to go poo. I'm headed home to have lunch and carry on my day. Yeah, this is one of the days I normally don't film on, but I said, what the hell? Come on, let's get out of here. And we'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited for this next video. I truly am. I'm excited for all of the next videos because I'm hoping my new idea works out. I really do. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.